right, going to take 2 minutes and talk about this HITTI 10 times magnifier. It is actually glass, and I have it here mounted to my workbench, because I'm using it in my garage. It also comes with a base plate so that it'll sit on its own. The base plate's quite heavy. It's slightly bigger than the lens portion. So seems real good quality stuff. It has a light that has 3 modes. I'm not sure this camera will pick it up, but so here, watch the color balance change. So there's 3 different ones that are different temperatures, and of course, I use it to look at parts that need threads and things that need to be looked at very close. Of course, it moves freely and got good resistance. There's handheld. You don't need tools. There's tightening points everywhere. So good amount of light. If you're looking for this sort of thing, I don't think you would be disappointed. I think it's great. The kind of strange thing about it, in my application at least, is that the power source is initially a USB, which if you're by your desk or your computer, I guess is no big deal. But for me, I can't use a USB out here, but it does come with a adapter to plug it into a regular 110 outlet. So if you're looking for this sort of thing, I can certainly recommend this. I don't think you'll be disappointed.
Hey guys, let's take a look at everything you get with this magnifying desk lamp. Let's pop this open. Everything neatly organized. Looks like a quick little user manual, how-to guide. Got a little cleaning wipe right there. Save that for when we're all set up. Check that out. It's not going to show up on camera, but it's working. I see everything a lot bigger now. That's the magnifying glass right there. Pretty good size. This does extend out. And you got a little control panel right here. So let's pop this open and see what else we have. It's like a little charger box. And there's a clamp. Looks like a vice style clamp. And this must be the base. It's a solid base. And so when damage any surface you put it on. Hey guys, we're going to get this thing up and running. I want to take a few pictures and we're going to write some words on it. Thanks for giving us a look.